These pearl buckle mules will be really great to wear if you're going for a sophisticated yet fun vibe. These have a soft leather upper, and I love this pink color, but they are available in other colors as well. This pearl embellished buckle is beautiful, and it is all for style with this really trendy pointed toe silhouette. They have a really easy slip-on design and a really soft man-made lining inside. You'll get a tiny little heel at the back, and these will look really great for a day at the office with a cute oversized blazer.